Hello there. Let's have a quick technical analysis on S&P 500 index. As you and me know, everyone is waiting for the J.Powell speech today, and I will show you how to use additive wave theory to trade this important event. As you can see here, this is the weekly chart for S&P. See the watermark, and this is a pretty clean chart. Nothing has been used before. So I will start from here. This is our starting point, 3491. And then let me draw this line there. So we know we'll only analyze the right part. Easy. And then let me show you what's the waves in the right side. So there are false waves down here. So we need to focus on the false waves downtrending. Right? But by just looking at the weekly chart, you don't see that much. You don't see if the trend will continue or it will reverse from here. So we need to go down to the deeper, smaller time frame like day chart to zoom in. As you can see here, this is the fourth wave in weekly chart, and this is what in day chart. All right. So what it looks like in the day chart? But in the day chart, it doesn't have too much yet. It could be have the 1 and 2 and 3 today and continues next week. But as far as now, you can only see 2 waves. Yes? And then, same method, we need to go a little bit deeper to the hourly chart. More signals down here in the weekly chart. Let me remove this. Yes, in the hourly chart, easily see that. So this is the first wave in day chart, and second and third. But third is not finished. So today we will focus on if this third wave will break this low, which is, let me mark this price here. So most likely it will break this low today, but it could also do like this. Today could have a small rebound first. That's like double check. One check, second check, and then go down, break this low here. So the trading strategy is very simple. If it's go rebound, and you could draw a line down up here, like the resistance line. If the rebound touch this area, you could start to shorting it, and then waiting for the plunge, right? Okay, that's the simple updates